Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today I'll show you the ways to create or sign up for a Line account. For that, open up your Play Store and on the search box type in Line and click the install button. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds or a minute in order to install it completely, so wait patiently. So once it is completely installed, click the open button and then it's going to take you to this page. Now click the sign up button and then select the country of your resident and make sure to, after which you need to go ahead and mark on the terms and condition. You could also go ahead and sign up with your Google account. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply use my Google account and click the continue button. So after which you just need to go ahead and follow the prompts such as create a profile, verify your identity, all of that, and you should be able to create a Line account successfully. So these are the steps to create a Line account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.